Have you ever heard the saying, "A watched pot never boils"? It means that when you are waiting for something to happen, it seems to take a long time. It's like when you are waiting for water to boil on the stove. If you keep staring at it, it feels like it's taking forever for the water to start bubbling. This saying is used to remind us to be patient and not to focus too much on something happening right away. It's important to give things time to happen naturally. For example, if you keep checking the clock while waiting for your birthday party to start, it will feel like time is moving slowly. The origin of this saying comes from the idea that when you are eagerly waiting for something, it can feel like time is moving slowly. So next time you are waiting for something, remember that a watched pot never boils, and try to be patient.